Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to change your Yes Bank debit card PIN in 2025. Whether you're upgrading for better security or just forgot your old one, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, why bother changing your PIN? In 2025, with rising digital threats, keeping your PIN fresh is crucial for protecting your hard-earned money. It's quick, easy, and can be done right from your smartphone or computer. Now, grab your Yes Bank debit card and let's get started. Step 1. Download or open the Yes Bank app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, head to your app store and download it. It's free and secure. Once you're in, log in with your username and password. Don't worry if you're new. The app guides you through. Step 2. Navigate to the Cards or Services section. Look for your debit card details, usually under a tab like My Cards. Tap on it to access your card settings. Step 3. Find the option that says Change PIN or Reset PIN. This might require additional verification, like your registered mobile number. Yes Bank often sends an OTP for extra security, so keep your phone handy. Step 4. Enter your current PIN when prompted. Then, create a new 4 to 6-digit PIN. Make it something memorable but not obvious, like your birth date. Re-enter it to confirm, and follow any on-screen instructions. Step 5. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation message via SMS or in the app. That's it. You've successfully changed your PIN. Remember, always use this feature in a safe environment to avoid any risks. A quick tip for 2025. Yes Bank might have updated their app with biometric options, like fingerprint or Face ID, so check for that during the process. If you run into any issues, reach out to Yes Bank's customer support. They're pretty responsive. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit the bell icon for updates. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.